Hello, my name is Tracey Richardson, and I'm on the faculty here at the Lean Enterprise Institute. And I want to go over today some of the different A3 formats for the classes that we teach, which are Managing to Learn, Lean Problem Solving, and Problem Solving Aligning People, Process, and Purpose. And within those classes, we work on the problem solving process and the A3 formats. And I know a lot of folks that come to the public sessions, they have different organizations they may work for, and they may have a different scope of work. They may be an executive, they may be a floor supervisor. So we have different types of A3s that are brought to the class, and I would just like to go over a little bit about those different formats. And so we tend to call those a created gap versus a caused gap A3 format. And to explain that a little bit, the difference between the two is if I've got a situation, and what I would call that is kind of what's actually happening, you know, where I'm at now within a problem that maybe is creating some kind of output that I'm not meeting a current standard or an expectation. So you can clearly see here in the red that I'm not meeting the standard, so we would call that a caused gap, which is a problem-solving format A3, which would be, again, the caused gap. When we're talking about the different formats, I would say a problem-solving format. And then you see, as we look at this current standard or expectation, and sometimes organizations may not have a standard, so we may say that we need an ideal state or an ideal situation. So if you have that set and you're looking at maybe a strategy level A3, again, a created gap, then I'm going to be proposing a new situation or a new standard. I'm going to be what's called purposely creating a gap, or some even call that raising the bar. I'm raising the bar on the current standard. So this is where I'm going from a current state, and I'm going to raise the bar to a new state. So that would be a created gap, and more so a strategy A3. So I see different variations of A3s come to the problem-solving classes. So I just wanted to give a quick little visual here of the difference between the two. So if you're signing up for these classes, whether it be a private session with a consultant from LEI or also a public session, that you would be able to see the difference between what a caused gap, again, which is the problem solving, and a created gap, which is what we would call a strategy or proposal A3. So I hope this maybe can clarify in some ways when you're bringing this to class which type of A3 that you'll be working on, and we'll have the blank templates for you to fill that out and be able to do the exercises in class. So I hope this was a helpful demonstration and helpful to you for the next one that you sign up for with LEI. Thank you.